Hi, I'm Lizzie and I'm a developer advocate at Cloudflare. Today, we're going to go over how you can chat with your own Cloudflare D1 database from within Windsurf via MCP Server. Let's see it in action. Let's ask, give me all of the Princess Diaries books in the database. I have a database of books that I read from Goodreads. Okay. Windsurf says, I'll help you find the Princess Diaries books in the database. Let me search for them using the MCP server's search functionality. Query Princess Diaries, title, limit 10. Okay, so it found all the Princess Diaries books in the database. Here are the key details, different ratings from me. Oh, I did not enjoy the first Princess Diaries book as much as I enjoyed the Royal Wedding. Wow. Okay, let's dig into some code. So, Cloudflare makes it really easy to build remote MCP servers. All I did was click deploy from within the docs, and then they set up my own GitHub repo for me. And then I cloned it, then I added this book search tool called Search Books. It takes in a query, and you can also optionally sort by, like minimum rating, maximum rating, limit, and there's different bookshelves. Did I read it, or is it on my to-read bookshelf? And then we detect the query type based on the keywords in the search string, perform some SQL, format the results to pass the Workers AI LLM. Depending on what the user asked, they could have asked for top-rated books, books written by an author, relevant books I found for a certain query. Then it passes to a Workers AI LLM. And here it is. We use Llama 3.3. Very fast, very nice. This is configured in Windsurf in our MCP config.json. It's very easy to configure. You just pass it your Cloudflare Workers MCP URL /SSE. Click save, and then you also click refresh in the Cascade section. In our worker wrangler.jsonc file, we have our bindings for our D1 database. The database name is Goodreads DB, database ID, and our binding. And of course, our Workers AI binding, very handy. Let's look at the database. Here's our Goodreads DB and our ID, and we can see some of the data, some of the books I've read. Window Shopping by Tessa Bailey, The Deal Off Campus by Elle Kennedy, and more. Oh, those are to read. I think I read those after I uploaded this to Cloudflare D1. A lot of books. I'm a reader. And we can see the ID, title, author, the different columns, different sections. Very nice. And of course, Cloudflare does make it easy for us to use this MCP server from the Cloudflare Workers AI LLM Playground. Let's grab that URL. Click connect. We have our search books function. Return the top rated books, please. Run. Search books is running. Oh, and then it returns some brief summaries. Know my name by Chanel Miller. I did like that. So you could do this in the Workers AI LLM Playground, but hopefully after watching this video, you will use your Cloudflare MCP servers from within Windsurf, and then you too can chat with your D1 database via MCP server in the Windsurf IDE. I can't wait to see what you cook up with Cloudflare MCP, Cloudflare D1, and Windsurf. Keep on chatting with your databases.